I believe it's time to get physical. We gotta break this from big wood to little wood. And try and not kill my driveway at the same time. I gotta get some more wood. That's what I'm about to do. Put some wood down here so I don't chip this up. Because then I'll be mad at myself. Yep. This wood chopping episode goes out to my dad, Rudolph Gibson, who showed me a lot of stuff. And one thing we learned when we lived together through my high school years was he cut it down, I cut it up. And so those skills ain't left me yet. You know, once you use it, you never lose it. So yeah, for you youngsters, want to get your cardio, sometimes when you work out, you don't need all the machines sometimes. You just need some manual labor in your life. Make big pieces into small pieces. Like I said before, turning nothing into something. Over here, looking through some stuff. I got my co-defendant over here. We don't give out his full name, but he said, "Rob, you need some help, play, I got you." So we stacking this up for Victoria for you. So, you know, get some redwood with some other wood, equals out some wood. Gotta go. Cap, got the cardio up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slow moving.
Slow moving, slow motion, beats no motion.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.